What is acute limb ischemia? Acute limb ischemia is an abrupt onset syndrome appearing as a result of interruption of the arterial flow, the flow in the arteries, because of 60% due to in situ thrombosis by plaque rupture, hypovolemia, pump failure at site of pre-existent stenosis. 30% due to emboli from left atrium, left ventricle, aortic aneurysm, prosthetic valves, paradoxical and atrial myxoma. Trauma, iatrogenic causes, and aortic dissection. If acute limb ischemia is complete, determines extensive irreversible tissue necrosis in 6 hours. What is the clinical pictures of acute limb ischemia patient? Pain, which is intense and lacerating, pallor and pulseless, also present in chronic ischemia, these two characteristics, coldness, and caution that ischemic limb can warm up depending on ambient temperature, paresthesia and anesthesia, unable to feel the touch on foot or the hand, paralysis, unable to wiggle toes or fingers. Color changes in acute limb ischemia. Pallor, intense spasm in the distal arterial tree, marble white, light blue or purple discoloration, blanches at pressure, discoloration darker in color, coarser in pattern, patchy and does not blanch, blistering and liquefaction, the limb is not salvageable.